The District Sports Office, Bhoi, lauds 3 schools for their stellar performance in the state-level Subroto Cup at SSA Stadium in Shillong. These schools are winners in their respective categories, set to represent Meghalaya in Delhi for the prestigious Subroto Cup. Minken Christian Higher Secondary School claims the under-17 boys category. Nongjri Presbyterian Secondary School excels in the under-15 category, and Christian Higher Secondary School leads under-17 women's category. District Sports Officer Bhoi Bobby L. Nongbet emphasized their achievements as a significant milestone, highlighting preparations for the upcoming national level in Delhi and Bangalore.
Qualify likely can hold Tadika Munkin Higher Secondary School in Parambo, and Nongjri Higher Secondary School in Nongjri, Kunjur Christian Higher Secondary School in Po. Along the Buram the Bakhal, the district Juni, Manila, and Posho, Shari Tangala, along the record, Manila, and qualify for state level likely Hajuport, Bhoi district Juni, Timti at a chance man, Mikwat Jilapat. Likely can hold national level to New Delhi, but come to Bangalore.